In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge not opening Google as a new tab. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Edge. Locate the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Click on it to launch the browser. Once it's open, you'll see the familiar interface with your favorite sites and the address bar at the top. This is an essential step because accessing Edge is the gateway to making the necessary changes. If you are already in Edge, that's perfect. Just make sure you are on the main screen to proceed with the next steps. Now let's go to the Edge add-on store. For this, you will need to type the URL into the address bar. Enter https://microsoftedge.microsoft.com/addons and press the Enter key on your keyboard. When the page loads, you will be greeted with a variety of extensions available for Edge. This store is important because it allows you to customize your browser to fit your needs. Extensions can enhance your browsing experience significantly, so take a moment to explore if you wish. Next, in the search bar of the add-on store, you will need to type custom new tab URL. This search will help you find the specific extension that allows you to set a custom URL for your new tab. Once you enter the search term, the results will populate with relevant extensions. Finding the right extension is crucial because it directly enables the functionality you are looking for. You want to ensure you select the correct one, as there are many similar options out there. After locating the extension, click on the Get button next to Custom New Tab URL. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation to add the extension. When you click on this, the extension will begin to install. You might see a progress bar indicating that the installation is underway. This step is vital because it loads the necessary tool you will use to set Google as your new tab page. Once it's added, you'll see a confirmation message reassuring you that the extension is now part of your browser. Now let's set Google as the new tab page. Click on the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. It's located in the upper right corner of the Edge window. When you click on this icon, a menu will drop down showing all the extensions you have installed. Select Custom New Tab URL from this list. This action opens the settings for the extension, allowing you to customize the URL. This is important because it directly links to the functionality you want, ensuring that Google becomes your new tab page. Once you are in the settings, you will see a field where you can enter a URL. Type in https://www.google.com into this field. Make sure you enter the URL correctly to avoid any issues later on. This step is essential because it directs your new tab to Google every time you open it. After entering the URL, look for a button to save the settings, usually located at the bottom of the settings page. Click this button to ensure your changes are applied. You will see a confirmation message that your settings have been saved, giving you peace of mind. Finally, let's test the changes. Press Ctrl and T together on your keyboard to open a new tab. You should see that the new tab now directs you to Google. This is a satisfying moment as it validates all the steps you've taken to customize your browser. If everything looks good, you've successfully set Google as your new tab page in Microsoft Edge. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. You've made your browsing experience more efficient, and now you can easily access Google with every new tab you open.